Tuesday noon, April 29. Lunchtime of the 14 for babies. Where's the other one? Nidagan sa si Wamdong. Asa na to?
No, luyo.
Wam, dili Wam. See? Ay mo na digi pangbuhian. Oh, there's dough. Nakuy, wa na nang gawa sa ilang kuan ang napay na hibilin si Doy. Wa di mo tang gisiradaan. That's Eve. Wala na ni kaon si Papa. Mukha na share. I have prepared one container for all of them. And the others are just so gluttonous. Ato mo balik sa iyahadong. Wa pa ba niya nahurot iyahadong? Ito, siyang ano, napay ni bilin. May pasiib kay wa nila kaw. Ay nako. Yagaw na. Roll call. That's healthy. That's pound. That's gain. Asa na mo share gain? Nasa ni mo tiwasa? Ay, nako ninyo. Mo, lagi na. When are you going to learn? That's George. Healthy. That's Skin. That's Gain. Jade. And that's Doe. And that's... Gawas ang bauna na ni Doe pa para lang di siya komportable di ang kaon.
Dili.
Si...
Do.
Ano, Dodo?
Tutu.
Dodo. Hadlok mo. Whatever method we're going to use, it's still a riot. And there are those who are just so foodies, aren't contented with their own share. They've got to eat it more fast, and they are going to eat the share of the others. Ang shake no, di na siya maramo. Kaugya ha. Manakaya, the eldest went away already. Finished na Yaya. Next to him, the orange one died early this morning. Din. Mga scavengers yun mo eh. Gusto yun mo ka ng mga sobra-sobra. Hagbay naman ta mo wa nagkaog basura, lamaw. Limpyo man tanan yung kinaon. JJ. And then, hi. Ding. Mana, finish na? Finish na ikaw? Sige na, shake. You eat na. Need to share. You don't like that one? We need to incorporate it with rice so that all of you can eat. Sa katigidala dito sa Dodo. Sa karton. Kadaan sa siguro bukog. Papan. Just wait for 30 minutes and all of those will be cleaned and washed. Lisang lang as laron. Kanapa may nanghamakit ang... Eat na. The tuxedos are not fond of joining the rest. Here's Max. And how Makmak. Manakaw eat Makmak. Finish na ikaw eat? Kababay na siya videohan doon. Di siya mudagan. Mau na siya. Rubuduol na katanan niya kay cellphone. Nag-wake up ka. Dagan siya. Showbiz na siya. Dodo. This is one of the foodies. While preparing for the food, we let them inside the cage. The three of them. This one, the cum laude, Doe. This one is the mania cum laude, Eve. And the summa cum laude. Where's the summa cum laude, Papa Roland? Ninyig.
Here.
Oh, this Jade. That's the summa cum laude. Dalam, suka ka ron ha?
Suka karon hapta.
Sige, Timura. Sunuya ta ng sudlanan. Asa pa'y na ibakante. Oh. Si Yes, contented na. Finish na Yes, Yes. You're full already? Yes, Yes. How about you? Wam. Napa ni Wam? Napay gamay bilin Wam. Eat pa Wam. How about you, Makmak? You're full already, Makmak. Makmak? Okay. Here's the mother and son. By 2 weeks from now, all these 8 are going to join them. I'm sure. It will be more riot. It will be 22 of them. Will eat food. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. See you in our next video.